Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's awesome paracord project, the Paracord watch strap or a watch band. So if you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned because tutorial is right around the corner. Enjoy! So for today's project we're gonna need the watch and the adapters for the watch, so we can insert the paracord into the adapters, and two strands of sky blue and two separate strands of black paracord. First we're gonna take the ends of one strand of black, pull it together, find the center like this. Now I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. And from here we're gonna make it from the top into this space here between the adapter base and this pin. So let me just take the little tool and pull the paracord in that space like so, and we're gonna create the basic cow's hitches now. So pull it through. Now we're gonna make the same on the other side. Now we're gonna take the Paracord JIG and we're gonna simply place it somewhere in the middle the watch, and from here we're gonna take the one end and insert one strand and the other one. Take it by the ends, pull it together, so we will find the center of our watch. We're gonna do the same on the other side. And now we're gonna create the double cow's hitches on each side. So we're gonna take this end and we're gonna make it around, and then from the back through the buckle, and now through this loop here, and we're gonna pull it. So here we firmly secure our cow's hitch. Now we're gonna do the same on this left side. So pull it on the side, then from the back through the buckle and through the loop here. Tight it up, secure it firmly, and we're gonna do the same on the other side. And now here we're gonna simply insert this end of a cord into the space between the pin and the watch. So now we're gonna insert our sky blue paracord from the back like so, into the gap between first and the second cord strand from the right side. So from the back and to the side here. Now we're gonna leave it here. So with the right strand we're gonna make it and insert it on top of this first cord, and then from the top through the middle and to the side. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So make it, and then from the back on the top, and from the top into the middle and to the side. Pull it a bit to the top, and we're gonna take the sky blue and make it from the back to the through the gap between first and the second cord strand on the left, and now from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand from the right. Now we're gonna take the right strand cord and make it from the top into the middle, like so, and with this left strand cord from the top into the middle. Pull it to make it tight, secure it, and proceed. So now here you insert your cord into this cow's hitch to lock it, and then we're gonna melt it from the back side. So from here we're gonna do the same on the other side.